welcome back to my channel. So glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you never miss any of my wig reviews and my content. I'm bringing you this wig review today for pinkypromise.com. Today we're going to take a look at a new style from Ellen Villa's Moddix Collection. This is Cesana, and the color on this one is Teak Brown Shaded. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at Cesana. So as you can see, Cesana is a very short layered style. She's got a little bit of curl in the back, which I'll show you when I do a turn. Not necessarily, I mean, I don't think it's a bad style on me, but it's definitely not, it's not really a style that I would go for. But Ellen Villa is really, really good at making lots of different types of cute short styles for those who love to wear short hair. So I think that they're really, really good at that. This one does have a nice little bang that you can get more coverage. I kind of swooped it over to the side, but it has some nice features to it. It does have a left monopart and an extended lace front, which is really, really nice too. So, and I love this color, I have to say. This is definitely a color that I would go for. So this is the Teak Brown Shaded, and I think this is the first time I've ever reviewed this color, but I could be wrong. But very pretty rooted brunette, just really has some beautiful dimension to it. So I'll do a turn so you can see it all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specs. So you'll notice the kind of curls and waves in the back. Okay, back to the front. So as far as permatease, I'm not feeling any permatease in this. Nope. Feeling in all the usual suspected places, and I don't feel it anywhere. So maybe just a tiny bit at the nape. That doesn't really affect much, but the volume and everything from this is coming from the cut. So just know, like I said, short layers going through this. So this is definitely, you can see how it kind of wants to poof up on the top. I'm sure you could smooth that down a little bit. This is regular synthetic, not heat friendly though. So, but she's going to want to have a little bit of volume to her. So just know that, when thinking about whether or not this is a style for you. So I'll show you her lace front. Lace front looks really, really nice. And then that left monopart, kind of hard to see on this dark color. I've got good coverage at the ear tabs. This is petite average. It's fitting my petite head very, very nicely. So I'm 11 ear to ear, 13 forehead to nape, and 21 inch circumference. I didn't have to take in the adjusters. This cap is just fitting me like a glove. So really, really nice. Okay, so let's look at her measurements. So here in the front, we have 4.25 inches. We have 4.5 inches at the crown. We have 4.5 inches at the sides, and we have a 4.25 inch nape. So lots of little 4.5 inch layers going through this. Weight wise, 1.8 ounces. She is super, super lightweight. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, so here is the inside of Cesana's cap. By the way, I checked the nape out and I do not see any permatease. I think it's just all the little short layers that are sewn onto the nape. It kind of felt like there could be a little permatease there, but with this hand-tied cap, there's no permatease. So that volume is strictly from the layering in the cut. So this is a left monopart with a hand-tied top. Your parting space, however, is only going to be on your monofilament right here. Then we have an extended lace front, extends down onto those ear tabs, gives you true temple to temple coverage, which is really nice. This is a really nice and very comfortable, super lightweight cap. She has the felt ear tabs, which have metal in there. That keeps those flush up against your face. So she's hand tied all through this portion and on the top up here. And then we have some closed wefting here at the back. Light as a feather. I just can't believe how lightweight she is. Okay, so extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. You don't get a lot of stretch with these hand-tied caps, so this is going to stay petite average. There's a little stretch in the circumference, so it might go up to average, but above average, I think it might be a little bit tight for you. Okay, let's take a look at this pretty color. So this is the Teak Brown Shaded. So if you're a numbers person, it has a 10, a 20, and an 8. So I'm not sure if the root looks a little darker than an 8 to me. So I'm thinking the 8 is the base. What I'm seeing with them is they tend to not give you the root color. So, or the shaded color, which means root. So, a 10, a 20, and an 8 going through this piece. So Teak Brown Shaded, the description is chestnut brown base, which I would say is the 8, highlighted with medium golden blonde with a dark brown root. So really, really pretty. You can see that highlight. There's your rooting. The rooting is not too much darker. You know, it goes into that base color pretty quickly into that chestnut brown that they're talking about. So just gradually lightens from the root. Styling wise, you know, you're not going to be pulling this up a lot or doing a whole lot with it. You know, you could put some little clips and stuff in it, but anywhere you do move that hair, you're going to see the root. It's more of the base color that I see through the highlights at the lace front though. Don't really see the rooting around the face very much either, at least not from what I can see on the video. Okay, let's take it outside and see what it looks like out there. Shaded outside. I'm under my patio cover, so you can see the, you know, the difference in the rooting and the chestnut brown out here a little better. There's your lace front. Pretty blonde highlight. So just on the edge of the patio, still in shade, but I've got sun shining on me. We'll step into the sun. Okay, we can look at styling and wearing your glasses with her and all that. She is easy to tuck behind the ears, although, and I think this is one way that you could wear her, you know, if you just wanted to tuck those little side layers back. She looks cute like that. Glasses are no problem. She's low density. They'll go up on your head, but I would definitely tuck and just be careful of your layers. Be careful that you don't hit this front layer and push your wig back, you know. But with these short layers, you could also just stick your glasses in the wig, which is probably the easiest way to do it. So as far as styling, like I said, you could tuck behind the ears. We can try her with a little headband. I think she'll look cute with a headband. Yeah, can kind of fluff her up or not, depending on what your taste is, you know. The bang, of course, is going to be around the face. That looks cute. Just something different, you know. And then you could just not tuck the sides and you could put, you know, a headband in or scarf or whatever. And so you could do it either way. And that would be cute. You can definitely, you know, feather these layers back more if you want to and get more volume that way if you like that. Or just, you know, have that be pushed away from your face a little more and then kind of tame it down. So that's another way to wear her. And then with this nice lace front, you know, you could just put a little clip in the front, you know, and pull that bang off your face just for something different, something cute. But, you know, she's not going to be like a half up, half down or ponytail or anything like that, obviously, because she is a short wig. So, but she's a cute little style, you know, just know that she, like I said, is heavily layered and, you know, you are going to get a little volume from her. So just from the cut. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.